Right, hello everyone. Hello YouTube. Quick update on the car. I haven't managed to get much done because, well, I have, I suppose. Been inundated with lawnmowers and stuff, trying to get them done. You know what it's like, spring, and everybody wants it done now. But oh yeah. Anyway, wheels are shot blasted and I painted them. Nobody wants to powder coat aluminium wheels these days, and the company that I found that would do it wanted a stupid arm and a leg. So anyway, nice chunky tyres, lovely jubbly. Most of the outside's back together, most of the engine's back together. Still got the interior to put in, but that's because I've been troubleshooting wiring. Because this door had been left open, the water got in and soaked the underside of the carpet, and the connection from the fuse box all the way to the back in that corner there was a big flat connector here where everything connected into. Anyway, I checked it and I just wasn't getting any readings, so I cut one of the wires to see what was going on, and it was totally black inside, really badly corroded. So I've rewired all that all the way to the back with new wires. I've just got the back open because I totally forgot when I wired it in. I've got to put the wire in for the tow bar. So here's the wire for the tow bar. So I've just got to do that tomorrow, hopefully, when my things come. I've run out of crimp ends. So I'll do that, put all that together. All the windows in, tailgates on, everything's on the outside. Windows need a drastic clean. All I'm waiting for underneath is the connector for the gearbox for reverse, which is why it's still up on jack stands, and because I've got to make a new wire for that. I've ordered the new connector, but the wire for it is here. This is where the connector ends. So once I've got that, but the engine turns over, I had to actually order a new starter motor. In the end, the other one was poorly, so new starter motor came. That's a pain in the bum to fit. The only way to do it is to take both engine mount bolts out, jack the engine up, take this engine mounting off, and then try and wiggle it out. And believe me, it's a pain in the bum to do. Radiator's all back on, all the front's back on, and she's almost ready to go. Everything works. The only wire I don't know what this wire was for, something that somebody else added on. I don't know what to do with it yet because it's permanently live. The only wire I'm struggling to find, if anybody can help me, is where the horn wire is. I cannot find a horn wire. Nothing coming down to the front, which is very strange. And the other thing I've got to figure out is all the vacuum lines that are left, because the vacuum lines control the cruise control and the four-wheel drive locking hubs and all the vents for the air system. But anyway, apart from that, everything's working. That's it. I've just got to, once I've finished all that, I've done the roof lining as best as I can. Didn't turn out brilliant because the actual roof lining material is completely falling to bits. The only way I could do it was bolt it to the cross members in the ceiling to hold it together, and a bit of new roofing stuff. A friend of ours made us covers for the sun visors, which is really nice of her. Even made a little flap to put your sunglasses in. So that's brilliant. So anyway, the only thing I don't think works, the radio doesn't work, I don't think, but I really aren't going to worry about that. It's not the end of the world. And I think there's a wire missing that goes under this console. The one wire is there. There's two 4-pin plugs under there, and I've got one wire going to a 4-pin plug, and I think it lights up either the 2-wheel drive or the 4-wheel drive, and the other side lights up the neutral, and oh, my battery's running out, so I better be quick. Lights the neutral and the light for the locked up four-wheel front hub, and I can't find a plug for it anywhere, but something if anybody knows what that's all about or why it's missing. Right, that's it for now. Cheers for now. I'll basically the next one will be it running and outside, because as soon as I've done the gearbox connector, I don't need to go underneath again. That can roll outside. My tent can come down, because it's a pain in the arse to work, because I haven't got the room to open the doors. As you can see, it's a bit of a bum. So then it'll all be done. Right, that's it for now. Sorry it's took a while, but like I say, I've been inundated with lawnmowers and chainsaws and strimmers and just about everything, and also an old Triumph motorbike of a friend's that's, I think, is a wiring problem now, but my legs are just not strong enough to keep kicking it over. It's I spent a few days on it, and it's just not playing ball. It's we put a brand new electronic ignition and everything on it, and we're just not getting a decent spark, mainly on the left hand cylinder, and apparently it's quite common, but I think it's a wiring issue. But like I say, my legs are just not in the condition to keep kicking it over, so I'll stick to electric starts. So this is going into the motorbike shop soon, so I apologised, and it's annoying because my health has let me down in regards to fixing something, and I don't like that. That's annoying, but there you go. Unfortunately, it comes to us all. Right, cheers for now. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. If you would please click a like and subscribe, be much appreciated. Thanks very much.